Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix blurry video on your phone. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Have you ever recorded memorable videos during holiday or family gathering only to find them blurry and impossible to share? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix it. So, if you want to make your video quality more HD, you can use application. The application name is Wink. You can find it on the App Store or on the Play Store. Wink, this one. You can install it on your phone. After that, you can open it. You can log in into this account. Now, because we want to enhance, we want to fix the blurry from our video, you can just select on new. You can choose on the video that you want to fix the blurry. This one, for example. Now we can tap on start. Here's before we fix it. Now you can edit, so you can from retouch you can select on edit, and from here you'll find there is an option UHD. You can just tap on that. Here's the original HD, Ultra HD, Portrait, AI, HD game animation. So for example, we'll try Ultra UHD. Now we can tap on start. Now we can wait the time process. Wait time for cloud processing are based on the network status and file size. Now you can just wait until it finishes. You can see the difference before and after we fix it, the blurry, enhance the quality of your video. Okay, now here's the result. You can see it, the difference. Before is on the left and after is on the right. You can see it's before and it's after. Let's play it. Before and after, it's more HD, right? Now you can save it. You can tap on the up right corner here, save. Now you have save it on your phone. You can upload this video to your social media, maybe like your Instagram story, WhatsApp, Facebook, or maybe TikTok. It's very simple, right? So that is how to fix blurry video on your Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.